Alrighty guys, welcome back. It's David here at D's Garage. We just wrapped up this 2026 GMC AT4X. Customers only had this truck for about 2 weeks. So, one of the main things on these trucks is they're not coming in with cab lights, so we install cab lights. So on this one, we did two things. Installed the original OEM cab lights, as you can see right up there. We also installed the kicker sound system on this setup here. Come on, let me show you guys the cab lights. You can see the cab lights right up there. David, show them those. I'm going to go ahead and turn them on. Alright, so those lights will automatically turn on when you remote start it. When the sun goes down, they will automatically turn on. They are connected to your parking lights. We do not cut into any wiring. This is a plug and play. I've done a few of them, haven't had any issues. So like I said, these are the original ones. I use the original ones. I don't want to have any problems, so I sell the original ones. We can install any lights. If you already have lights and want to replace them, we can replace them. If your truck doesn't have any, we can install them for you. Okay, so that's that parking light. That's the cap lights. The other thing that we did, follow me, David, right back here. Like I mentioned, this customer's had it for 2 weeks. He wanted to upgrade his sound system, so he took it to the dealer and bought this here. He bought this setup, which is a 10-inch subwoofer with the built-in amplifier, and the wiring harness is literally a plug-and-play deal, but it's simply just not enough bass. If you already had a system before in your car and you experience a loud system, this here is just simply not gonna cut it. And it doesn't have a bass knob. So let me show you here what we installed. So we got this setup right here, right? This is a kicker subwoofer that Kicker sells. If you guys need it, we can get it for you. We installed the kicker amplifier to go with that setup, and we did the kicker bass knob. All right, so this is a really good setup. It's more than enough. For those of you who purchased the storage compartment, I know it could get pretty expensive, but if you want something this loud, you gotta sacrifice it. But look how nice and clean this enclosure looks. Now they do downfire, right? The subwoofers are down here. You can honestly lay stuff on here if you need to lay stuff on here. We're gonna put these seats down. David, go ahead and show them how it looks with the seats down. As you can see, nice and flush right here. It's nice and clean. Some people like the subwoofers facing forward, but I can clearly tell you that if people get back here, you're gonna punch holes on them. So what I like about this is just nice and clean. The seats work perfectly and all of that good stuff. So this already has the Bose system, so we just needed a little bit more bass. Follow me, David, right here. All right, guys, and one of the things that we like to do is mount our bass knobs and make them look nice and clean. So if you focus right here on your light switch, this is your light switch, you can see right here is where we mounted our base knob. So with this, you're gonna be able to control your level on the base. Looks nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little demo for you guys so you can kind of hear how it sounds, but you know, sometimes the phone doesn't capture it all. So we'll see if we can get something to tremble here.
There's absolutely no one I trust more in Los Angeles with their restoration. Take advantage of your flexible summer calendar and get the most care for
Sometimes the audio on the video doesn't justify it, but believe me when I tell you that this is the way to go. It's a super clean, easy install for me, and if you guys need it, you can get it here at Dee's Garage. This setup's gonna run you right around $2,100 or so. So it's not a cheap sound system, it's good. There's other options, of course, you can choose from, but I like this option, it's well worth it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Dee's Garage here in the city of Corona. You guys already know if you need anything done on your GMC or your Chevrolet, we got you covered.